In today's video, we're going to reveal 25 techniques that will empower you to become a master of frugal living. These skills are so essential, you won't believe the impact they can have on your financial well-being. Skill 1. Budgeting like a pro. Let's start with the fundamental skill every frugalist must possess: budgeting like a pro. Witness the incredible power of creating a budget and tracking your income and expenses. From setting financial goals to allocating funds for different categories, you'll be amazed at how this simple skill can transform your financial situation and help you prioritize your spending. Skill 2. Meal planning mastery. Prepare to be blown away by the art of meal planning mastery. Witness the unbelievable savings and reduced food waste that come with planning your meals in advance. By creating a weekly or monthly meal plan, you'll optimize your grocery shopping, utilize ingredients efficiently, and save money on spontaneous and unnecessary food purchases. Skill 3. Savvy couponing strategies. Get ready to be amazed by the savvy couponing strategies that will revolutionize your shopping experience. Witness the power of stacking coupons, utilizing store promotions, and timing your purchases to maximize savings. From digital coupons to newspaper inserts, you'll uncover the unbelievable discounts and freebies that await you. Skill 4. DIY repairs and maintenance. Embrace the world of DIY repairs and maintenance and witness the incredible savings that come with fixing things yourself. From basic home repairs to car maintenance, you'll be astonished at the money you can save by learning essential repair skills. Explore online tutorials, community workshops, and hands-on practice to become a frugalist, handyman, or handywoman. Skill 5. Effective negotiation techniques. Prepare to be captivated by the art of effective negotiation. Whether it's negotiating prices at flea markets, haggling for a better deal on big-ticket items, or negotiating your salary, you'll be amazed at the unbelievable savings and increased financial gains that come with mastering this skill. Learn the tactics, practice assertiveness, and witness the power of negotiation in your frugalist journey. Skill 6. Creative upcycling and repurposing. Discover the remarkable skill of creative upcycling and repurposing. Witness the unbelievable transformations that can occur by giving new life to old items. From turning mason jars into storage containers to repurposing clothing into trendy fashion pieces, you'll be amazed at the cost savings and unique creations that can result from this imaginative approach. Skill 7. Gardening and food preservation. Unlock the incredible skill of gardening and food preservation. Witness the unbelievable joy and savings that come from growing your own food. From cultivating a small herb garden to managing a backyard vegetable patch, you'll experience the satisfaction of harvesting fresh produce and reducing your grocery expenses. Learn the art of food preservation through canning, freezing, and drying to extend the life of your homegrown bounty. Skill 8. Efficient energy management. Prepare to be astounded by the essential skill of efficient energy management. Witness the unbelievable savings and reduced environmental impact that come with conserving energy in your home. From optimizing insulation and weatherproofing to embracing energy-efficient appliances and practicing smart usage habits, you'll experience a significant reduction in your utility bills while contributing to a greener planet. Skill 9. Financial goal setting. Discover the incredible power of financial goal setting. Witness the unbelievable impact that clear goals can have on your frugalist journey. From saving for a down payment on a house to creating an emergency fund, setting specific, measurable, achievable, relevant, and time-bound, smart goals will motivate and guide you towards long-term financial success. Skill 10. Mindful and intentional spending. Embrace the essential skill of mindful and intentional spending. Prepare to be amazed by the transformation that occurs when you align your purchases with your values and priorities. Witness the unbelievable shift from impulsive buying to thoughtful consumption, leading to reduced clutter, increased satisfaction, and greater control over your financial destiny. Skill 11. Smart grocery shopping. Get ready to master the art of smart grocery shopping. Prepare to be blown away by the unbelievable savings and increased efficiency you can achieve by employing strategies such as making a list, comparing prices, buying in bulk, and shopping seasonally. Witness the power of meal planning, couponing, and store loyalty programs as you optimize your grocery budget. Skill 12. DIY home cleaning solutions. Prepare to be captivated by the essential skill of creating DIY home cleaning solutions. Witness the unbelievable savings and reduction in harmful chemicals that come with making your own cleaning products. From simple ingredients like vinegar, baking soda, and essential oils, you'll discover the power of natural cleaners that are effective, eco-friendly, and budget-friendly. Skill 13. Mindful wardrobe management. Embrace the essential skill of mindful wardrobe management. Witness the unbelievable impact of decluttering, organizing, and curating a wardrobe that reflects your personal style and reduces unnecessary spending. Explore capsule wardrobes, secondhand shopping, and creative outfit remixing to experience the joys of a versatile, budget-friendly wardrobe. Skill 14. DIY beauty and personal care. Prepare to be amazed by the essential skill of DIY beauty and personal care. Unlock the unbelievable savings and natural alternatives that come with making your own skincare products, hair treatments, and personal care items. From homemade face masks to natural hair rinses, you'll experience the satisfaction of pampering yourself while saving money and avoiding harmful chemicals. Skill 15. Frugal travel planning. Discover the incredible skill of frugal travel planning. Witness the unbelievable savings and memorable experiences that come with careful research, budget-friendly accommodation options, and strategic booking strategies. From scoring discounted airfare to exploring affordable destinations, you'll see the world on a budget and create unforgettable memories without breaking the bank. Skill 16. Efficient time management. Prepare to be astounded by the essential skill of efficient time management. Witness the unbelievable impact that effective time management can have on your productivity, stress levels, and financial success. From prioritizing tasks to eliminating time-wasting activities, you'll experience the joy of accomplishing more while optimizing your Frugalist journey. Skill 17. DIY home decor. Unlock the incredible skill of DIY home decor. Prepare to be captivated by the unbelievable transformations you can achieve by creating your own home decorations. From repurposing old furniture to crafting unique wall art, you'll experience the joy of personalizing your living space while saving money and reducing waste. Skill 18. Basic car maintenance. Discover the essential skill of basic car maintenance. Witness the unbelievable savings and increased longevity of your vehicle that come with performing simple tasks like oil changes, tire rotations, and air filter replacements on your own. Learn the basics of car maintenance, invest in the necessary tools, and witness the financial benefits of keeping your vehicle in top shape. Skill 19. Meal prepping for efficiency. Get ready to master the art of meal prepping for efficiency. Prepared to be amazed by the unbelievable time and money savings that come with dedicating a few hours each week to prepare meals in advance. Witness the transformation of your weekdays as you enjoy homemade, nutritious meals without the stress of last-minute cooking or resorting to expensive takeout options. Skill 20. DIY gifts and handmade crafts. Embrace the essential skill of DIY gifts and handmade crafts. Prepare to be captivated by the heartfelt and budget-friendly creations that come with making your own gifts for special occasions. From personalized photo albums to hand-knit scarves, you'll witness the joy and appreciation that come with giving a truly unique and thoughtful present. Skill 21. Financial independence planning. Prepare to be inspired by the skill of financial independence planning. Witness the unbelievable transformation that occurs when you take control of your financial future, and strive for independence. From investing wisely to creating passive income streams, learn the strategies that can pave the way towards financial freedom and a life where work becomes optional. Skill 22: Repurposing food scraps. Discover the incredible skill of repurposing food scraps. Prepare to be amazed by the possibilities that exist for turning vegetable peels, coffee grounds, and other food waste into useful items. Witness the unbelievable potential of composting, creating homemade broth from leftover vegetable scraps, or even regrowing plants from kitchen scraps. Reduce waste and save money while exploring the wonders of sustainability. Skill 23: DIY home repairs and renovations. Embrace the essential skill of DIY home repairs and renovations. Witness the unbelievable savings that come with tackling projects on your own. From fixing leaky faucets to painting walls and even renovating entire rooms, you'll be amazed at what you can accomplish with some basic tools, online tutorials, and a little bit of patience. Save money, build skills, and transform your living space through your own DIY endeavors. Skill 24: Strategic subscription management. Prepare to optimize your subscriptions with the skill of strategic subscription management. Witness the unbelievable savings that come with evaluating your subscriptions, identifying those you no longer use or need, and negotiating better deals on the ones you want to keep. From streaming services to gym memberships, take control of your recurring expenses and free up funds for the things that truly matter to you. Skill 25: Efficient home organization. Discover the incredible skill of efficient home organization. Prepare to be astounded by the transformation that occurs when you declutter, streamline, and create functional spaces within your home. Witness the unbelievable peace of mind and improved productivity that come with knowing where everything is and optimizing your storage solutions. Experience the joy of a clutter-free environment and the financial benefits of avoiding unnecessary purchases. And there you have it, 25 essential skills every frugalist must know. By mastering these techniques, you'll empower yourself to live a more frugal, intentional, and financially secure life. If you found this video astonishing, be sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more incredible content. Thanks for watching, and until next time, happy frugal living.